Okay, now we will discuss about the next one concept of chapter number 2, which is the calculation of median in case of the grouped data. Grouped data refers to the two kinds of series are there, in which the two series are included, means the discrete series as well as the frequency distribution series. Okay, the first one, discrete series. Today we will discuss about the calculation of median in case of the discrete series. Discrete series, first of all, the meaning of discrete series means the discrete series refers to a series in which the frequencies are given along with the main item. Frequencies are allotted to the each and every item of the series. Now the step is there, the process is there. Discrete series, how to calculate the median? The same situation as like the individual series. Firstly, we will arrange the data in the form of ascending or descending order. Okay, then the major extension is there. What should we have to do? We just have to convert the simple frequency into the cumulative frequency. Cumulative means addition of the one item into the another item. After that, the same step will be taken. How to calculate the median here? The simple step will be taken. Determine the size of n plus 1 by 2th item of the series. And n refers to sum of f. It means summation of the frequencies will be taken as the number of items. Then find out the value of the median corresponding to the value of the n plus 1 by 2th. We will discuss this concept with the help of an example. See, there is the main items are given, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the main item size. Main item is there. After that, frequencies are also given. Frequency of the series is 2, 3, 8, 10, 12, 16, 10, 8, 6. Now we have noticed one thing very carefully, that the item is already in the form of ascending order, right? Now the main step is there. First of the what you will have to do, cumulative frequency. 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 10, 23, 23 plus 12, 35, 35 plus 16, 51, 51 plus 10, 61, 61 plus 8, 69, and 69 plus 6 is 75. 75. Now the next step, after calculating the CF, the next one step, size of n plus 1 item divided by 2. 75 plus 1, 76 by 2. It means size of 38th item. Now think very carefully that we just have to check the CF. आपको frequency check नहीं करनी है. You just have to find out, you just have to analyze the CF, not the frequency. CF, in order to find out the median value. See, the median value was 38. 2 is less than that, 5 is less than, 13 is less than, 23 is less than, 35 is also less than 38. Right? After that, the item is 51. It means this is greater than, the first one greater item than 38. So the median will lies in this class. The median will lies in this frequency. And this one frequency is lies related to the which item? Number 7. Number 7. So what will be the value of median? Value of median will not be find out from the frequency. Value of median will be find out from the main item. See this, your item n plus 1 by 2, it means 38 will lies in this CF, and this CF is related to which one item? 7. So median will be 7. Median will be 7. You just have to remember this thing very carefully, that you cannot find out the median from the frequency. You just have to find out the median from the main item, right? Firstly, you just have to calculate the size of n plus 1 by 2th item. That item will be lying in which one CF? The value should be equal to that item or as well as the greater, but not less than, right? You cannot use that particular column in which the value of that item is less than the calculated item. It should be greater than or equal to that value. Like 38 was there, so it should be equivalent to the 38 or the greater than 38. Then you will just have to find out the relevant major item, main item of that series will be known as the median. So this is the simple process to find out the median in case of the discrete series. Doesn't matter either the number of items are odd or even, you can find out using the same formula in case of both of the items. Okay.